So raindrop, for those who don't know, it's a spiritual anointing, and it's a technique of layering essential oils, and it addresses every system in the body, and there's all kinds of physical benefits, but also there's emotional benefits because of the way essential oils work on our emotions. And I can talk about that in a minute too. For me, it was actually the very first time I ever gave a raindrop in that practice course. It's a hands-on training, and so everybody has to administer a raindrop, and we get in pairs and we do that. And right from the start, it was like I was hearing things, and it was like I knew things and I felt things. I felt emotions of the person that I was working on, and I felt like the Lord was speaking to me about them.
Gosh.
And it was instantaneous the minute I laid hands, and I'd never been involved in any kind of ministry of laying hands before other than just praying for people.